1. Currently on sale is a delightful 1965 Chevrolet Impala, available for $40,000. This magnificent car, full of style and elegance, is ready to become a jewel in the collection of any connoisseur of classic cars. It has undergone a complete transformation with new paint and an updated interior, and is currently awaiting the installation of the top, which, by the way, is included in the package. The vintage 283 engine and transmission add a touch of authenticity to this Impala, emphasizing its historical value. The seller paid attention to details by conducting a complete rewiring of the wiring, which guarantees the reliability of each system. The car impresses with its performance. Everything works perfectly, and it is ready for selfless road adventures. Special attention is paid to the reinforced frame, which has already been trimmed and is currently in air ride mode, giving this Impala special comfort on the road. The $40,000 sum includes all these improvements, making this car not only elegant, but also super comfortable. With this 1965 Chevrolet Impala, which has passed 12,000 miles, you get not just a car, but a real work of art, modern, and at the same time imbued with the atmosphere of the golden era of the automotive industry. Don't miss the chance to become the happy owner of this clean and stylish Impala. 2. I present you a unique opportunity to become the owner of the 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport, available at a price of only $20,000. This classic car, full of character and potential, is ready for a new stage in its history. This Chevelle Super Sport, having covered 156,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and looks stylish in black with a matching black interior. With 2 owners and a clean title, this car represents a real piece of automotive history. The seller, describing the car, honestly points out the need for restoration. It is necessary to replace the floors and trunk, as well as the front wing. Rust and bondo are present in the rear quarters. The brakes need to be replaced, and despite their performance, they have difficulties with braking. Details down to the drum brakes need attention. This Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport not only offers the new owner classic aesthetics and power, but also becomes a project with character. With the potential to recover, this car can return to the road in all its glory, recreating its exceptional super sport status. A new chapter in the history of this fascinating Chevrolet Chevelle can begin with you. 3. Today we have an amazing 1967 Dodge Coronet on review, put up for sale at a price of $14,500. This magnificent car, having traveled 27,000 miles, is a true example of classics with a factory large block and air conditioning. This 2-door hardtop version with the 383 engine and 727 transmission not only stands out for its style, but also offers comfort inside thanks to the factory air conditioning. The car easily tolerates long trips, which is confirmed by numerous road tests. The seller who owns the car, the second owner, decides to sell this Dodge Coronet in connection with the restoration process. At the moment, the interior is completely disassembled, except for the front bench, as the owner was actively restoring the car. He is ready to provide a complete list of parts that have been replaced and improved during the restoration process. The body is in excellent shape with minimal signs of rust, limited to a small amount in the rear fenders and small holes in the front floor plates of the driver and passenger. This Dodge Coronet promises to be a great project for someone who is ready to take on the task of completing the restoration of this wonderful car. Don't miss the opportunity to purchase this 1967 Dodge Coronet, which not only takes you back in time, but also offers a unique platform for future car adventures. 4. Currently on sale is the 1947 Oldsmobile Series 66 Forder at a price of only $8,500. This historic car, having traveled 83,500 miles, represents a unique piece of American motorized culture that is ready to continue its journey with a new owner. This Oldsmobile is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine with a volume of 238 cubic inches and a 3-speed gearbox, demonstrating its historical value. Although the car is starting, it will require the restoration of the carburetor. The car also has a heater and turn indicators, which emphasizes its period features. The exterior of the car is painted in light beige, creating an atmosphere of ancient charm. Original glasses add authenticity, although they may not be flawless, but they retain their historical value. This Oldsmobile Series 66 is basically an original piece of American history. The seller, noting more than 3 previous owners, claims that the car has a clean title. This Oldsmobile, although not perfect, provides an opportunity to purchase an authentic piece of the past at an affordable price. Owning this car will open the door to the world of retro cars and allow the new owner to bring his passion to the preservation of this historic car. 5. Currently on sale is a stunning 1966 Mercury Comet, built for $16,000. This car, having traveled 500 miles, is a real drag car with power and style. This 1966 Mercury Comet has undergone significant changes to become a real dragster. The heart of this beast is the new 445 cubic inch engine, which is paired with a new C6 transmission and a new 4500 stall converter, providing maximum performance on the track. The car is painted in a stylish blue color, which gives it not only an aggressive look, but also emphasizes its racing character. New Lexane windows have been installed, which helps to reduce weight and improve aerodynamics. Technical features include a 9-inch rear axle with a gear ratio of 4.11 and a system of ladder bars, creating a stable and powerful platform for fast passes. This Mercury Comet shows great results, covering 1/8 of a mile in 7.70 seconds. If you're looking for a car with real drag potential, this 1966 Mercury Comet is the perfect choice. With its new features and stylish appearance, it invites you on an exciting journey along the highway. Do not miss the opportunity to become the owner of this racing Comet, which promises to bring you maximum pleasure from each gas throw. 6. Currently on sale is a unique 1976 Ford Thunderbird Glamour Edition, available at a price of $16,995. This car, having traveled only 25,109 miles, is a real specimen of a rare collector series, ideal for connoisseurs of style and originality. This Thunderbird, painted in an exclusive shade of Jade Starfire Metallic, is a Glamour Edition, one of 185 produced in this color and finish. This color has only been available for 6 months and is not even included in the color schemes. The car is equipped with a 460 kW V-shaped 8-cylinder engine that transmits power to the rear wheels through a 3-speed automatic transmission. The seller, emphasizing the clean title, the absence of significant damage or problems, as well as the excellent condition of the car, offers to get acquainted with the Monte report in the image gallery documenting the unique characteristics of this Glamour Edition. This Ford Thunderbird is in exceptional condition both for its year and for the miles traveled. It is characterized not only by impeccable safety, but also by excellent performance. A lot of maintenance and service work has been carried out to ensure that he is in excellent condition for a comfortable and selfless trip. This Thunderbird is a unique opportunity to add something special and stylish to your collection. 7. At the moment, a delightful 1955 Oldsmobile 88 is on sale, priced at $16,500. This magnificent car, having covered 10,000 miles, is a unique combination of style and modern improvements, making it an ideal choice for connoisseurs of classics with modern technical solutions. This Oldsmobile 88 has a powerful SBC 350 engine coupled with a TH 350 transmission, which gives it not only historical value, but also modern performance. An important update is the conversion of the front brakes to disc brakes and the installation of new components for the rear drums. All hub bolts on the driver's wheel have been converted to the right thread for added reliability. The electrical system has been completely updated with the installation of a new wiring harness by a professional workshop, which guarantees reliability and safety. New pipelines for fuel and brake systems emphasize the concern for the durability and reliability of the car. The owner also notes the installation of the hood locks performed by the previous owner and provides the original hood lock for replacement. This Oldsmobile 88 in black highlights its elegance and classic style. The seller claims that the car has traveled 10,000 miles, which emphasizes its reliability and the possibility of using it in everyday life. In general, this 1955 Oldsmobile 88 combines the splendor of the era and modern technology, creating a unique and impressive car for the future owner. 8. An exciting 1982 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is currently on sale at a price of $25,000. This magnificent car with automatic transmission, silver body color, and black interior is not only a cult model, but also a real work of art with unique improvements. This Monte Carlo, refreshed with a silver leaflet, is rated by the seller at 9 out of 10, which emphasizes the high quality of the paint. The interior of the car is also in excellent condition, with new ceiling upholstery, carpet, and an almost perfect interior without cuts. Special attention is paid to tuning the suspension with the installation of 6 batteries, 3 black magic pumps, and strengthening the front and rear pillars, sidewalls, and chrome levers. 3 wheels on each side, new pumps, and a reinforced rear axle create an impressive picture on the road. The phantom top, new headlights, and digital Dakota sensors add modern style and functionality. This Monte Carlo is also equipped with a Bluetooth system, car and trunk lights, as well as a new restored steering column. The car starts without delay, showing outstanding reliability. The seller emphasizes that the car has no significant damage or problems, and its clean title adds confidence to the purchase. This 1982 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is not just a car. It is a work of art combining classic style and modern improvements. It offers the opportunity to become the owner of a unique and impressive tuned car, which will certainly attract the attention of fans and connoisseurs of automotive culture. 9. The amazing 1972 Datsun 240Z is currently available, priced at $29,995. This magnificent car, having traveled 55,169 miles, is a real rare find, ideal for collectors and connoisseurs of classic cars. This Datsun 240Z, painted in a rare persimmon red and with an off-white interior, has an original 4-speed manual transmission. It is also equipped with a rare factory air conditioning system, which makes it even more unique. The car is described as in extremely good condition, having no rust. This 240Z started its journey in California, spending the first 35 years there with the original owner, and then moved to Kansas. The last owner kept this car for 15 years. The car impresses not only with its history, but also with the condition in which it is located. The seller notes the fantastic performance of this 240Z, having carried out extensive maintenance work, such as installing a new valve cover, intake/exhaust manifold gaskets, a new exhaust, clutch, rear oil seal, as well as new Pirelli tires in retro style. This Datsun 240Z is not only an exceptional vehicle, but also a historical gem with a documented history. The clean title, the absence of significant damage, and the technical condition make this car an attractive option for true connoisseurs of classic cars. 10. At the moment, an exciting 1966 Chrysler Newport base is available for sale at a price of $13,000. This car, having traveled 28,000 miles, is not only the epitome of style and elegance, but also an excellent example of careful care and careful maintenance. This Newport, painted white with a blue interior, maintains its pristine look and a sense of classic style. With an automatic transmission and only 28,400 original miles, this car represents not only a beautiful appearance, but also impressive reliability. The seller emphasizes taking care of the technical condition of the car by introducing a new radiator, water pump, brake pads, and equipment, as well as installing new wheel bearings. It is also equipped with an aftermarket audio system and a central console. In addition, the car comes with original wheels and branded hoods. This Chrysler Newport base is not only externally attractive, but also provides driving pleasure, behaving perfectly on the road. Its low mileage and service characteristics make it ideal for those who are looking for a unique collectible car capable of pleasing its owner both visually and while driving.